Hello all. What you're looking at is our group project for the ICS321 course. Our project is called Datzzabase. The idea behind Datzzabase is we wanted to get a web-driven, completely online database that holds records for user-inputted values of custom pizza meal orders. So think pizza meets database and you get the name Datzzabase. Now, one of the reasons that the online DBMS appealed to us rather than using a software like DB2 or MySQL was that it's light, fast, and sticky in terms of HTML. And thanks to the power of most modern web browsers, rich web applications such as Datzzabase are possible. From our main page here, there's several sections. There's an About section, just briefly explaining the project. And more importantly is our Order section. So if you click Order, there's a pop-up. You're brought into the Order page. Now on the Order page, there are some default selections made for you, just in case the user doesn't select anything. These will be automatically selected with these radio buttons here. You see pan and regular cheese is selected. For the other elements of the web page, we have these scrollable checkbox menus for the different toppings and also extra side dishes and drinks. So let's say a user selects stuffed crust, extra cheese because we like it cheesy, and let's select some meats here. Let's go with Kahlua pork since it's Hawaii, and pineapple, very Hawaiian. And let's get a side here because we're very hungry, but we're trying to be healthy also, so let's get some salad. And let's choose our drink. Let's see. Let's go with the water. I'm going to bring up Firebug so that I can show you what's happening when the user is selecting these values. I'm also going to open up my compiler so we can look at some of the code and we can kind of visually show how the data is being stored and manipulated. So quickly, as you can see here, the default value of crust is selected, and this function here scans through the selections and returns all of the selected values. In this case, it's a radio button, so there's only one selected value. But for the other elements, where there could be multiple selected values, it reads through all of them and returns all of these selected values. And what you're looking at here is the heart of the database code. So this is the TaffyDB code. As you can see, it's quite simple and very easy to create records. So my order is a record for the crust and cheese, the base elements of the pizza. So this get crust function is imported from the get crust variable, which is taken from the function that scans through and searches for the crust. As goes the same for the rest of the functions. So automatically, when the page is loaded, these variables taken from that function are loaded into the database. And with some simple console log commands, we can call to get the values of the selected elements. So, and if you look over at my Firebug side, I'm going to enter some commands, and as you see, it returns the value of the cheese. They selected extra, and the crust is stuffed. And let's make sure that our meat selection was recorded. As you can see, Kahlua pork was recorded. And let's see if we have any other toppings. I see. So, selected here, oops. The user selected pineapple, cilantro, looks like that's it. So, that is recorded into the TaffyDB, the table for other toppings, as the other ones. Kahlua pork goes in the table for meat, and crust and cheese goes in my order. Now let's check the drinks. Drinks are there as well, Fiji water. From there, the user hits the submit button and the order is saved, and an email is sent to the delivery person with address, and the delivery is on its way. So that's it for Datzzabase first implementation. And done brings you back to the home screen. Thank you for watching.